Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to learn violin at home for beginners, only way. Begin with posture and bow hold, tune the violin, and set a metronome for steady tempo. Focus on open strings first, aiming for smooth bowing and consistent sound. Practice short, focused sessions daily, and add simple scales when notes are clear. Record yourself to track progress and adjust technique based on what you hear. Warm up every session with long bows and breathing to relax the upper body and improve tone. Follow with scales and shifting drills, practicing slowly to build precise finger placement and clean transitions. Choose one short piece to polish each week and break it into manageable measures. Finish with a short cool down and reflection, noting what improved and what needs focused work next time. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical lessons you can use at home. Quick recommendation: pick up Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after practice runs or runs to lessons. It makes the commute more pleasant and keeps instruments safe from lingering odors. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work on bow control by keeping the bow straight and using even pressure for a steady tone across strings. Train left-hand fingers with slow repetition and close listening to pitch, adjusting where needed for cleaner intonation. Use short, focused reps rather than long, unfocused hours, and aim for consistency in small bursts. Regularly record and review practice to pinpoint patterns and celebrate small improvements along the way.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.